Hello, welcome to part 2. This is the 1075 side of where we install the first string cabinet on the Palmer truck for the FDIC this April. So as you can see right now, what is getting installed is a wire chain so we could get all our power, radio, communication wires up to the cabinet so nothing gets spliced when it goes in and out. So a neat feature that we'll be adding to this slide out cabinet is 2 4-inch amp powers for more of a side warning and command. Also, there will be additional floodlights on the bottom for ground lighting. So stay tuned for part 3 when we finish this vehicle. Then this will be ready for FDIC.